Welcome to Paru Yoga. Let us practice 5 yoga poses to energize your day. Do these poses every day. If you have any video request, please comment below. Let's start. Let's do Surya Namaskar. Stand straight at the front of your mat. Take deep breath. Exhale while hands are in the chest forming Namaste. Inhale while you raise your hands. Curve your body backwards as much as possible, but do not push too much if you have back pain. Do not push your hips forward. Exhale slowly. Forward your body slowly. Try touching your knees by forehead. If you cannot touch your knees, bend your body as much as you can. Do not touch the knees if you have back pain. You may bend your knees. Inhale slowly. Send your left leg back for low lunge. Place left knees on the ground and toes upright. Then tuck your toes. Exhale. You are now in horse parading pose. Your chest opens and you are gazing at a distance. Now send your right leg back. We are in downward facing dog. Press the ground by your palms. Feel the weight of your body in your both arms. And try seeing your navel. Now Sastangasana. Slowly lower your knees and chest while the upper body weight is held by your arms. Place the toes upright. Inhale and come to the low cobra pose while the knees are touching the ground. Tuck your toes and get back to downward facing dog. For horse parading pose, inhale, a little modification. Raise your right leg to the sky and send your right leg to the front and hold. Place your right leg between the palms and stretch. Pull your left leg to the front, gaze forward. Exhale, hang your upper body. Try touching knees. Raise your hands while you inhale. Bend backwards as much as possible. Come to the front and open your chest. Exhale and bring your hands to the chest. Lower your hands and rest. Please do another round as well in the same way. Let's do warrior pose 1. Exhale. Step forward your right feet 2 to 3 feet apart from left leg. Raise your both arms clasping together, stretching backwards behind your ears and inhale slowly. Slowly bend your front right foot and stretch your back left foot. Exhale. Lower your hands and rest. Change the position of legs. Exhale. Step forward your left leg 2 to 3 feet apart from your right. Raise your both arms, stretching backwards behind your ears. Exhale. Lower your hands and rest. Let's do balancing table pose. Be on your hands and knees. Slowly raise your left hand and right leg simultaneously such that left hand and right leg aligns with your body to be parallel to the ground. Change your hand and leg. Let's do cat to cow pose. Start on your hands and knees. Begin by moving into cow pose. Inhale as you drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your chin and chest and gaze upwards. Next, move into cat pose. As you exhale, draw your belly to your spine and round your back toward the ceiling. The pose should look like a cat stretching its back. Inhale, coming back into cow pose, and then exhale as you return to cat pose. Repeat 5 to 10 times and then rest by sitting back on your heels. Now let's move into bridge pose. While you are laying down with knees bent, slowly raise your hips, initiating this from the pelvic floor. Deep breath, lift and hold for few seconds. Slowly lower down your hips, exhale slow and long. Open your knees. Next round of hips raise. Inhale deeply, lift your hips, hold on for few seconds. Feel the gentle stretch of the muscles in the abdominal midline. You may want to find the Kegel muscles. Squeeze it and release. Initiating from the pelvic floor, drawing your navel and lift your hips. Hold on for few seconds and slowly release. Take deep breath and enjoy the stretches and relaxing sensations that it creates. Exhale slowly, rest and relax. When you are done, lay down for rest for a while. Now let's move into Savasana. Now let's relax actively with full awareness to the body and breath. Lay down on the ground. Close your eyes, the hands are spread and breathing is normal. You are wide awake and conscious. Try to feel your normal breath, how it is coming in with life force and going out by taking away the toxins from the body. Try to feel each part of your body. Let's start from your head. After some yoga asanas, you may have sweated, your hair may be trying to release itself and eyebrows might be twitching. How about your cheek muscles? Your breath is normal. Slowly move your attention to your hands. Feel the stretches in your arms and wrists. How about your heartbeat? You may sense the flow of blood. Your abdomen muscles may be feeling some stretch. How about your leg muscles? Do you feel the stretches and pain? Since Savasana focuses on active relaxation, it is the best way to relax and also the hardest one to do. And noting the sensations in your entire body helps you to be more conscious of your body and mind. Also, you will be able to get a lot of benefits that will help in your daily life, physically and mentally as well. Let us end today's session by welcoming positivity to our body and mind, bringing in the strength and flexibility that we all require for the entire day, and throwing away all the physical and mental stress, tensions, and anxiety as a byproduct. and allow yourself for these moments to enjoy the experience that will help you use your physical and mental strength from the morning throughout the day. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this practice. How is your energy level now? And how good do you feel? Comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.